Hey guys, what's the trade? Y'all didn't see it right, man. What's the trade?
Guys, here we go right here. We at a expo. I try to go around and meet all the builders. How you doing, man? I just had to meet you, man. I'm Emmett Stallworth, man. I'm actually a residential home builder. And you more in commercial, right?
So they do multifamily.
Multifamily.
I'm the IT guy for yeah,
Beautiful, beautiful, man. Beautiful, man. Hey, man. Good luck. We got these guys right here, man. Got Electrician. I'm doing a little old stream here, man. So, what we got over here? How y'all doing, man? I'm Emmett, man. Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. Emmett Stallworth, man. How you doing, man? Nice to meet you too, man. General Electrician? Engineer. Oh man, boy, I tell you what, man.
I can't fix that.
You know something? Here's the thing, man. I tell brothers, man. Well, not brothers, just anybody. If you're not going into science, technology, engineering, mathematics, don't go to a 4-year college.
No doubt.
Yeah, because this is where it's at, man. Wow, man, we got everything here, man. Got food. Y'all doing? Got all kind of stuff. Elimination. Oh, that's good. How y'all doing? All right. So we got cosmetology. It's a lot of. How you doing? It's a lot of companies going on here. God, at least you got cupcakes and stuff. Beautiful. Oh wow, I got the medical industry. How you doing? Wow. We gotta push these trades. How you doing? How you doing? Golly. Brent, is it? You used to keep our kids, didn't you? How you doing, girl?
Wait,
yeah, this is small world.
construction?
Yeah, I got a little table set up over there.
Oh my God.
Oh man, I'm about to tell Anitra I saw you. Man, you need to see my kids. They taller than me now. That's right, that's right. Well, good seeing you. I'm gonna holler at you before you leave. Here you go, guys. Oh, y'all want to be builders? We got lady builders too. Well, that's why you got to get handy. You guys got to be handy nowadays. No, I'm just kidding with you. But hey, good luck. Hey, come back around if you guys get in the building now. Okay. Hey, y'all don't want no candy? Y'all don't eat candy? Y'all too good to eat candy now.
Hey guys, what's the trade? Y'all didn't see it right, man. What's the trade? There we go.
Yeah. Right now we're in a situation where we reaping that benefit. Back then we can't find skilled people.
So we trying to make up now.
Oh yeah,
we trying to.
So far, cause the baby boomers are retired. My generation, a lot of us came in, but not many. But prior to my generation, a lot was in it, but those guys don't retire or they retiring. And so now my age group, we don't hit the 50-year mark.
That's right.
The generation before, under me,
they don't want to do it.
Almost like zero.
So let me ask you this right here, man. You out there in the fields right now, man. Do you see a lot of Americans, like white, black guys out there in the trades?
If you was to go to a Home Depot or Lowe's, sit in the parking lot, whether it's in Crestwood or Pelham, you will see a small percentage of blacks in that parking lot, an extreme small percentage.
Make sure I get that right there.
You will see probably like 40% white and 70%, or well, a big percentage of our Mexican brothers, our Hispanics.
Yeah.
So, but you'll see every now and then I be like a mold on the face in the cotton ball. African
American.
Yeah.
You
It's
just
very
don't.
slim, And
So
then
what do you think's going on, man? What's going on with the brothers,
It
man?
go back to 35 years ago. The push. We made this trade seem kind of dirty. We made pulling up your sleeve, rolling your sleeves up, dirty. And now, you know, everybody kind of not knocking for your college because I sent $3 to college. So I'm an advocate about education. But because we didn't give that alternative, we're seeing that today of what we didn't do 25, 30 years ago.
That's right.
So right now, to answer your question, it's not pretty. It's not pretty.
So, do you think that the all right, now I got this theory, man. It's called Brefos law. Brefos law says that it's the females of a community that determines the mating strategy. Okay, so if the females don't value trades, will the guys give it to them?
Absolutely not.
So what's happening? What we're seeing is women don't value
Right.
the trades.
Hard work. That's the thing. Don't value hard work.
that's beautiful, man.
And the thing is, when the push was on, you know, like even today, you can't even say 4-year college because now everybody want to be an influencer, a digital creator. So you don't need no degree for none of that. It's just even more pretty.
Well, our boys want to be rappers and
see, you still
athletes and sports.
So you still got that small demographic. It don't, believe it or not, it has jumped over into the internet world. Everybody want to get a podcast and think they can talk and want to try to get sponsors, and nobody don't know how to count. So once they find out that they're not a Willie D or somebody to get major sponsors, they find out that, oh, YouTube is not paying that much money. So what I need to do now? So now the scamming come into play. So now
The scammers and stuff.
So the scamming take place because they thought that this online thing was going to pay off, but they're not a celebrity.
That's right. Celebrities are taking over the online stuff now.
But they not even making no money. And so
That's
the average
right.
Joe don't realize
That's beautiful.
they not making no money. So now they get into scam world. So now I got to go get the hard working guy and say, hey, I can show you how to make $10,000 in a day.
So the scam culture's out there now.
Oh, the scam culture been out here for probably about the last 10 years strong.
So we just distracted, man.
Oh man,
we just highly distracted.
Oh.
We're not trying to go out here and make it. I mean, we got to figure this thing out, man. Because I'm sitting here, I'm in the trade. This is what I do. I'm a builder.
Okay.
And man, I stroke the checks for my subcontractors. Like my electricians, my plumbers, and all those guys.
Right.
I write those checks, man, and these guys are doing well. So we got to figure this out.
Yeah, and it always been a lot of guys, the baby boomers, they don't send plenty of people through colleges and built a nice life.
That's right.
It's just that, and believe it or not, they still being sold this. Well, I'm gonna say, a lot of the young ones, they being sold it. They getting off into building, but they becoming more architectural and stuff like that. But some of them still building and taking over those brick and mortar business, like Grassfield and Gore and all these other different places like that. The family, the lineage is still coming in.
That's right.
You know.
That's right.
But and so the building construction is still being sold in every other culture as the thing to do. But for some reason in our culture, it's grandpa. It's grandpa with a hammer and a nail.
That's right.
Where you get that from? That's not,
right.
You know, it's a difference between, and not knocking, a handyman.
That's right.
It's a difference between a handyman and a builder. It's
Oh man, I just did a video on that.
It's a difference between a carpenter and a contractor.
That's right.
A contractor is the business. So when people are like, I got a bad contractor. No, you got a bad jack of all trades.
That's right.
Somebody that didn't know business, because the contractor knows business.
That's
You understand?
correct.
But we don't muddy the water and think that anybody with a truck and a hammer and a nail is a contractor. I had my contractor.
We also call like a contractor. We'll call him a handyman.
We'll call him a handyman.
We think he need to come in and hang a ceiling fan or something.
Yeah, no, this guy he literally took contract law.
That's right.
Took for my general contract.
That's
I
right.
had to take contract law. I need to know proposals and bids and tax codes and know how to do a Davis-Bacon report and all that stuff.
That's right.
That's not handyman.
And that's you're right.
Handyman.
No, you're right.
But that's the difference. But
Golly, man. Hey, man, I appreciate this right here, man, because I got a channel. I got a YouTube channel, man. It's one thing for me to be telling folks, hey guys, by the way, I didn't tell him to say that.
Right.
Good.